to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Onyinye Anekwe. Guys, I decided to start a vlog today. I know that vlogging is not really my thing. Let me shut the door a bit so that my kids are downstairs. Today is Saturday. So here's the thing, since I got to this country, I have been eating anyhow and I haven't really found the motivation to work out or even do a diet. I remember signing up for April Laugh program and got the meal plan, prepped my meals, and I just never really followed through. So it's been really difficult for me to find that motivation to begin to work out and eat healthy. But I noticed that my knees are beginning to hurt. So whenever I add on weight, I have either lower back pain or my knees hurt. But for now, my knees have been really hurting, and I feel it's time for me to be more mindful of what I put into my body, not just for the weight, but also for health. This is now person will be small picking again. So I decided to do a 3 days cleanse, and which is why I'm doing this vlog, because since I don't have that motivation, this is more like me holding myself accountable. I'll carry you guys along to show you how many kg I'm able to lose in the 3 days. So this morning I am just going to take a glass of apple cider. I don't even know if that is okay for me to drink apple cider on an empty stomach. I think maybe I should skip the apple cider thing and I am going to go shopping I have some apples in the house, but I want to do a green smoothie, and that's what I'm going to be drinking for the next 3 days. So I need to go get fruits. I'll get cucumber. I'm thinking of doing cucumber, apples. Maybe I shouldn't add ginger because I won't be eating any other thing. So just mainly cucumber, apple, and then maybe spinach or kale. I think I'll just do, instead of doing a juice cleanse, I'm going to do smoothies instead, at least so that I have the fiber in there. And yes, I don't really like is it plop it's called now, but yeah, let's just see how it goes. But I've not been feeling my body. I've been having headaches. I've been having headaches like frequently, and so I just think it's time to get back on track and get things going at least. I'm active. I also noticed that my energy level is high and I am not feeling that right now. So I think that I really need to do that juice cleanse. So this morning I am going to, thankfully my husband made breakfast and so the kids have eaten. I am just going to have a shower and then head down to, I think I'll go to Asda, and then I'm thinking of buying some plants. Oh guys, so YouTube sent me the LED light. I already unboxed that for YouTube Shorts. I'm still going to show you guys. So guys, this is where I shoot my video. This is my room, and this is the corner where I shoot my videos. That's the chair I film with. What I do basically is I take my bags off from the door. I sit here just because I'm going to turn this around to show you. I have a window right here, so it's easy for me to just sit in front of the window and then have the light facing me directly. So I just thought to show you guys what my space looks like. So this is the stuff that YouTube sent me, and I unboxed this already. It's a LED neon sign and just something for me to put in my space when I shoot my videos. I am excited to put this up, but on getting this I was thinking, okay, maybe I should just spice up my area where I shoot a little bit. So I'm thinking of buying maybe a plant, and I'm ordering a few things on Amazon. I don't know, when they get here I'm going to show you guys. I wasn't really looking at acquiring any more furniture until, you know, after a year, most times you get that feeling of where you actually want to settle when you're done with schooling. So I didn't want to do that. This was my inspiration to try and spice up my space a little bit. So I am going to go get a plant today. And then I'm not sure where I want to put this. I don't know if I should keep up with that, or I don't know yet. But we're going to see how that goes. So yes, I also need to get batteries for my scale because I need to check my weight. So I am going to carry you guys along as I go.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be, we're gonna be two hearts running wild.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.